Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this song is beautiful and amazing from Diana. The title of this song is Fly Away on the Wings of the Wind. Ooh, this is beautiful performance by Diana again. Let's hop in and enjoy the show. Welcome guys. Welcome. Again, like and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post This is vocal. This is powerful vocal, so dynamic and super mesmerizing. This lady is really an angel. Diana Ankudinova, Fly Away on the Wings of the Wind. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Let me know in the comment section if you are enjoying this song, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here guys. And you can support my channel too by clicking on the notification bell and the super chat button there if you can. Let's keep on doing it. Super. Let me just repeat somewhere here, because this is where I got this amazing goosebumps. Yeah, I feel like, just let me listen. Let me get it. Wow, this is it. This is where I felt that goosebumps. Just listen. Listen again. There's one position where everybody shouted. This is where I got that goosebumps. just like heavenly song. Just like heavenly song. I've never been in heaven, but the way this song sounds, just like song from heaven. This lady is super angel. Believe me, Diana Ankudinova is an angel. Believe me with that. Guys, are you feeling that goosebumps out there? Diana Ankudinova, Fly Away on the Wings of the Wind. That's the title of the song. Watch the full video on her channel. Support her too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. For all subscribers, thank you so much. I feel glad. I appreciate that. And if you wish to support my channel, again, click on the notification bell and also click the super chat button to support me anywhere, anyhow you can. Not by force, it's just a wish. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think and what's your opinion and what do you think about what's your thought about the song. Join the conversation. I'm out. Peace be unto you guys.